Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dark Coders. From this video, we are going to begin our CSS course. First, what do you mean by CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Styling Sheets. It is actually being used to make beautiful web page. Actually it is being used to edit your web page to look. Means actually you change it look. Means first when we were doing in HTML the very simplest web page we are able to view, but by CSS we will get some more effects and it will give many beautiful effects to your web page. Okay, in this video I am going to discuss about the softwares which we are going to use for this coding journey. We are going to use both the softwares, Brackets and JSB. Mostly we are going to use this JSB in softwares because it is more pretty easy to use. Okay, first now I'm going to tell you is how I splitted it and how I saved it. Okay, first you have to save the single file as we are saving for HTML. After that you have to click here. You are able to see here the icon. After that here no split, vertical split, horizontal split. You can click on vertical split or horizontal split as you wish. I have selected vertical split because it is comfortable for me. Okay, so after that you will get this two, but this will not be saved. Okay, so you have to click on this and after that you have to go on file option and after that new. Okay, so means the new untitled 2 will be displayed here. In place of here we are getting is dark coders part1.css. In place of there you will get untitled 2 and you will save it as we were saving earlier. Okay, means you will get this 2. Here we will code for HTML and here we will be coding for CSS. So this is how to split in bracket software and use it. And for running, you know all the processes and everything and all. And you haven't watched, if you haven't watched my HTML course, please go and watch because I am not going to explain the HTML now. I will start directly CSS. I will be pasting some information or anything whatever I want or whatever is necessary. I will paste it and we will be going on our CSS course. I will have more focus on CSS as compared to HTML. Okay, so if you feel any query, you will comment or message or DM me on Instagram, Facebook. The link is in description box also. If I haven't given the link, you can search for my name directly in name of Dark Coders. You will get there and you can DM me. Okay, so and I will be replying you also. And so means this is how we are going to use this bracket software. Now we are going to jump on JSBean software. So you will I will tell you how to use JSBean also. I have already logged in. You can also log in, but for that you have to be there is some age limit, and if you are not of that age, use your parents Gmail and log in. And it's not necessary, but I have logged in because I am used to of using this kind of software, so I have logged in. So this is how we are going to start our course. For this course we will not need any external equipments, means any other thing. Directly we'll be coding and getting our outputs, and after this we are going to start is I am telling it in advance only that after this we are going to start is C and C++, but that course will be very short and limited information because I am also studying that languages, but as much I will be getting, I will be giving information about that also. And you can prefer any book or anything as you want for coding. You will get anything online that there is so many stuffs for it. And one more site is there on Google, that is W3S School. You can use that for coding and you will get everything there. Means each and every code for what and every you wanted to do, you can. In last video I have told you how to add audios and videos. You should remember that whatever we have learned in HTML course. So now we are going to jump on brackets, JSBean software, and let's go then. 1 2 3. So guys, we are on our JSBean. So maybe you are familiar with JSBean software. Means we have used it in 1-2 videos for HTML, but now we will be using most of the time JSBean software. And but one bad thing is there about JSBean, that I have to log in every time. Means sometimes I even forget the password. So means this is one drawback for of JSBean, but it's pretty simple to use, so I use it. And it's not necessary to log in. Okay, so don't force your parents or do any wrong thing about it. And don't buy the pro pack. Means if it is necessary, means it's too much that you have to buy, only you can't do anything without it, then also don't buy. But if it's too necessary, so you can, but I don't think that it is necessary for anyone, as you wish. But my aim was to just tell you about this course. Okay, so I am telling it. First is your HTML screen, this is our CSS screen. One difference I forgot to tell you, that is about the brackets. Bracket means first we were using the conical brackets. Now we are going to use is curly brackets, and you will write here anything, so that will be displayed as a text, or means CSS coding, that is. And whatever you will write, we will get some output, and here is some relationship between each and every line, like grandparent, parent, son, grandson, like that. Means some of the relationships are there, and it's all right. Okay, I wanted to confirm you that after this CSS course, means I am telling you second time, I know it, but I am telling you that we are going to start C and C++ course also, so stay tuned for that also. But it will consume some more time as compared to CSS, as CSS will get end after some time. Means I don't know what will be the time span in between, but I will be confirming in last CSS video only about that, as I have confirmed this HTML. And sorry for this late video. I have taken only 2 weeks time, but it's more than 2 weeks, but now I have posted it. So show your love, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And this was all about this video. Thank you for watching.